So we all serve all of life through all of our spiritual endeavors. Everything that we surrender to God for the good of all, every advance, every forgiveness that we personally do, every time we let go of feeling sad and unhappy, every negativity we let go benefits all of mankind. Consequently, anybody who's in spiritual endeavor is of service to man at all times, just by their intention. So meditation then is really changing the context of one's life, that one's life becomes a meditation, in that it's lived in form, but in the context of the awareness that the divinity is the unmanifest out of which the manifest is arising, and you're merely witnessing creation unfolding in the world of form as it appears to perception.